vowels of English, it should actually, because it's only one constant between two vowels. Yes, you're right. But I don't care.
I hate how you fucking just actually use fucking grammar terms in your fucking daily life. I hate you.
See, this is what happens when taming, or Alex is a smart boy. See, here's the thing, Alex. I'm out of school now, so my brain is dead. I'm sorry. Like, you gotta understand this. My brain is just dead now. So, I'm sorry. I am really, like, I do not mean to at all whenever I do. It's just, I'm so used to just talking.
Yes, I know you are.
And
It's
so
very
then I
obvious,
accidentally
trust me.
say it, and I'm like, fuck. That masterworked train, man! Fuck. I just hit that masterworked
train is my dad.
Taming, why did your dad masterwork itself? Alex, who masterworked your
I was
dad?
drinking soda.
Alex, who masterworked your dad?
So isn't that fucking funny? I don't know why I'm